こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about question. Do you know how to say question in Japanese language? If you want to say, may I ask question or I have a question, in that case, we use the word 質問。質問。質問。Okay, means question. For example, if I want to ask a question, 質問があります。質問があります。So, あります means there is, there are. So, there is a question. It means I have a question. I have questions. Yes. So, 質問があります。Or if you want to ask, may I ask questions? 質問してもいいですか？質問してもいいですか？ Okay. So, 質問してもいいですか？ Yes. So here, 質問して this part actually means verb. So, 質問します。質問します。質問します。This is verb, a bit long one. So, do questions, it means, yes. So, 質問します。This is a verb and then it changed to, it is called te form. 質問して、and then もういいですか？ Is it okay if I ask questions? Okay? So, 質問があります。I have a question. Or 質問してもいいですか？ May I ask questions? Okay? And then also the word question, you can use its questions in a exam paper, for example. In that case, we use the word 問題。問題。Yes, 問題 means questions on a exam paper. Okay? So, 問題が難しかったです。For example, 問題が難しかったです。Can you say it? Sorry. が難しかったです。So it means the questions in the exam paper were difficult. Okay? 問題が難しかったです。Okay? And also this word 問題 also means problems. So it can be problems. Yeah? So you can, if you say there is a problem, we say 問題があります。Yes. 問題があります。問題が。This sentence, you know, があります。があります。Huh! Yes! があります。So it means there is, there are. So 問題があります means there are problems. Okay? I have problems or the situation has some problems. 問題があります。But 質問があります means I have questions. So that's a different. Okay? So even though maybe if you check the word, you know, question, and then you get the word 質問 and then 問題, you know, as a Japanese word, but, you know, the usage is different, okay? So if you say 問題があります it means you have some problems, okay? If you say 質問があります it means you have some questions, yes? So please be careful. If you have questions, please let me know. 質問がありますか？またねー。